All right, so today I want to give you guys a quick walkthrough of my office slash kind of theater media room, kind of my all-purpose little fake man cave. I'm moving, so I just want to document this before I move because it's going to be different at the new place. So starting off, we have a 65-inch Vizio E series. This was about the best bang for the buck when I bought this about 2 years ago. It was the best thing, probably about under $1,000 local dimming. I stream mostly everything, so that's the TV. I mean, it's not anything special. Down here is all my AV equipment. That is actually speaker speaker grill cloth I bought from like Joann's, and that's covering all my equipment. I will take that off and show you what's behind there, but that hid everything really well. I have a 5.1 system using Andro Jones, the second series. So I have two towers. The center channel is inside of there. And then back here, we have the bookshelves for the surrounds. There's also a clipped sub down below. I use a Harmony remote. I like it. It does work, for the Fire Stick and stuff. One thing I don't like about Harmony are the activities. You have to do activities. So you can't just somebody else turn on the TV, you come in here and use this remote to do something. You have to know, be in the activity or shut it off. So I don't use this all the time, but it's pretty cool. This is the one that has the hub, and that is in there. I'll show you that later. But I will show you the cool things. So on this remote, like I have it tied in with my smart things. So this first light here is gonna be for my rear light. So on here, if I give it a single click, I turn on the office lamp. You can go up and down here, increase the intensity or turn it off. There you go. And then now it's too far down, so let's go back up, turn it back on. It should, or not. So I'll hit it again, maybe that turn on. There you go. And if you hold it, it turns it off. All right, so that's one reason why I like using this when I'm here by myself. And then if you look at above here, I have I think it's like a Osram. It's a light strip, works with smart things, but you hit it one click here, boom, the light turns on there. So that's pretty cool. And then you can adjust it. And then on this, I have a smart plug behind the TV for the subwoofer. So down there, you can't see the subwoofer light, it's off. I'll hit it here. Boom, turns the subwoofer on. And that's really cool. So you don't have to go into the AV, if you just want to watch a movie, that's when I turn it on. I want to watch something. Somebody else comes in here, they don't need the subwoofer. Just hold it, turns it off. So that's one reason why I do like this remote when I'm here by myself, but when there's other people, it kind of makes it a little bit harder. So that's basically it for that. I'll show you kind of what I did here. This was a shelf going across. There's like 3 shelves down below here. So on this one, it was a shelf, and I actually had to notch it out for the TV. This was the largest TV I can fit in this cavity with the doors on. High inside, 2 years later, I would have took the doors off and probably put like a 70-inch in there. But I thought that I would need the doors for some reason, so I didn't do that. And I'm gonna remove this and show you guys what's down here. Okay, so I'm back. So if you guys care or want to do anything like this, all this is a piece of I don't know what kind of board you want to call it. I'll turn the light on really quick. It's like I don't remember what kind of board this is. It was like a couple bucks Home Depot, and then I just hot glued the speaker material, so it's the same speaker material as the speaker, and then I just have it draping down to cover, and it doesn't block the sound. And I also can still see the display on my receiver. It's a Denon S900, I think, or something. I can't remember. All this equipment's like years old. So this is a 7.2 receiver. I will probably be increasing that depending. Andro Jones center speaker again. Sorry about the focus. Got a clipped sub. And like I said, this is storage. So there's like blankets and stuff and my kids' board games. So what I have a Cube 2nd Gen Fire Cube. That's the Xfinity cable box. What else is back here? This is the Harmony remote. This thing has enough power, somehow it reaches up and it fires off the TV. And that's what's back there. So everything is clean. You can't really see into this when I put that, curtain type of thing up, and it works well. I've been using this for a couple years now. So I want to show you the computer setup really quick. All right, this is the computer setup. It's a IKEA desk with the thing everybody has, so you know that. This is a cheap chair. I got a new chair coming in, guys. A really cool chair. So, but anyway, this is a 24-inch widescreen, and it's almost like 2 screens in one, which is pretty cool. And then this is I think a 24-inch regular screen. And what I want to show you is this keyboard. It's a multi-device, also multi-device mouse. So, like this is, I prefer Chrome OS. So this is Chrome OS. And on this side, you can see this one is Windows. So my one mouse, I'm over here. If I want to jump over, see it stops here, I can't go anywhere. If I want to go over to Windows, all I do is Windows machine is the select button. You go to number 1 and then you come up here. Where's it at? There it goes. That's your cursor. So the same thing with the keyboard. So the keyboard is number 1 there. And if I come up to this box here, that works. And then when I switch it back to number 2, and then I go to number 2 over here, that puts me back on to Chrome OS. Then I can type here. So I'll show you guys that. It's pretty cool. And this actually comes with like a little stand. You can put your phone in. This is an old phone here. You just put your phone in, you put your tablet, and the third device is actually for the tablet. When I use my Fire 10, the new Fire 10, I can type on that. I don't do it much, but that is a thing. It's pretty cool. The Chrome OS will not wake up from Bluetooth, so I had to put the dongle in my HP Chromebook i3. I love it. I love it way more than Windows. I mean, it updates, but you don't wait. Nothing drags. It's been working really, really good. Working from home. That's my main system. I remote in to my work Windows system. And over here, I have a mini PC. Oh, let me see. The name is on it. There you go. I think it was like $200. It's not an i3, but I was using this as a Plex server. And believe it or not, it works great. It's silent. There's no fan. It uses almost no power. I think it's like, I don't know how many watts, but it's super low. I have had this thing on for almost 3 months now. I never have to reboot it. I never have to do anything. And it basically just runs my Plex in the background, and I can do some basic browsing. And then I have a 2 terabyte. This is an old hard drive. I just want to see as a proof of concept for Plex. It works fine. So this is my office / media room tour for you guys. Alrighty, thanks.